Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, we are still a brick and mortar parts shop. Our website is a useful tool, and we use the internet for marketing, but our goal is to provide you with more than just a parts lookup. We aim to do that in 2022 by increasing our sales staff. With our staff across the country ready to answer your questions or provide valuable parts information, we are more than just a call center. We know how difficult it can be to get someone on the phone who can answer your questions about your diesel engine. We aim to go above and beyond that by giving you a person that you can talk to face and can partner with your repair shop to become your go-to resource. We want to provide our customers with more than just quality parts. We want to increase the success of their business and their profitability. Our customers are more than just customers. They're real people with real goals, and we want to do everything we can to help them reach those goals. Our outside sales staff is here to serve you and will have the capabilities to visit your shop, discuss your goals, and make them a reality. We want to grow together with your business and do all that we can to increase your profits and make the most out of your repair shop. Our outside sales staff is already meeting those goals, and increasing our reach just makes that a possibility for even more customers. Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, our growth is not focused on just our business. We want our customers to grow and aim to provide excellent service across the country. Call us at 844-447-1453 or on our website at highwayandheavyparts.com to speak to one of our sales staff who can get you in touch with the nearest Highway and Heavy Parts representative. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.